Hello friends, in this video I will show you a hidden iPhone feature without touching the iPhone screen. You can scroll up and down on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube short. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll up. So friends, first open Control Center and you see here plus sign. Click here and click here. Scroll down. And here have option voice control. Click here. And now turn on voice control setting. Click here. So friends, this setting all done ready. Just you say open Instagram. Now Instagram is open. Just say scroll down and the short will scroll down. When you say scroll up, the short will scroll up. This way you can scroll Instagram and other social media shorts without touching your iPhone screen. So friends, this iPhone hidden feature useful for everyone. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.